From whichever angle you look at it, this way or that way, it just makes sense to use the Rhinox tilt grading bucket. So what is a tilt grader or a tilt ditch? It's simply the grading or the ditch bucket on a machine that has got the ability to be able to rotate it 45 degrees in both directions. What are its uses? Quite simply, you can stay on a level platform and it allows you to be able to do formwork and also grade like a bank or get a camber on a service road, all from sitting on a level platform. So the simple benefit obviously there is that you can have a tilt grading ditch at the expense of having to go to something like a tilt rotating hitch. One thing I'd like to make quite clear is that this isn't a tool for demolition or for stripping back large areas. This is a technical tool that's used for forming and shaping and profiling. So it's definitely not used for your standard digging projects. We have seen where people have tilted it and then they use the one point to like lift up concrete and break out. It's not meant for that in any way. It is purely a technical tool that's used for grading and forming.
As with all Rhinox products, this is a very heavy duty design and construction. This tilt grader has one hydraulic ram that enables it to tilt from 45 degrees this direction to 45 degrees this direction, giving a total of 90-degree change in angle. We'd like to make a point and stress that it does have a check valve here that enables it to not swing back or give you a good control when you're actually trying to tilt to a specific angle. The hydraulic system that the Rhinox tilt ditcher actually works from is 1.5 metre hoses right here from the headstock that goes round and plugs into the auxiliary hydraulic lines. Some machines position their auxiliary lines at different points on the machine, so it may be that you have to source slightly different hose lengths to make your tilt ditcher function correctly. In this situation, we would recommend that you speak to your local hydraulic specialist because Rhinox only stocks the 1.5 metre hoses at this point. What I'd also like to emphasise is that we use a 1/4 inch BSP flat face fitting. If your machine does deviate from that, again, we would actually recommend that you speak to your local hydraulic specialist. All the Rhinox tilt grading buckets have the angled rear shell. The key point about this is that when you tilt over and are grading, the sharp angle of a standard grading bucket would normally dig in and leave a line through the soil or aggregate that you're actually trying to profile. Although this tilt grader doesn't have it, we do offer all our tilt graders with a bolt-on reversible edge option, which we strongly recommend that you take up. To us at Rhinox, we feel passionately that when you use a grading bucket, you do fit a bolt-on reversible edge. And we do have a specific video here that covers this in more detail if you'd like to understand it further. We currently offer from 1.5 tonne through to 3 tonne or £1,000 through to £9,000 excavators. So for the 1.5 tonne size range, we offer a 36-inch bucket, and for the 3 to 4 tonne size range, we offer a 48-inch. This product also comes with a headstock design fitting that enables us to weld on either the 2 hangers with pins, just as the standard pickup, or we can do some of the dedicated systems like the Excavator Quick Attach or the Bobcat Exchange. This means that we can offer a product for all of the range of excavators: Takeuchi, JCB, Kubota and Bobcat. This product is priced at $2,732, including shipping to the US and Canada. And then in the UK, it's £1,044 plus the shipping.
Like all Rhinox products, you're able to get replacement parts. As we've already mentioned, the bolt-on blade, so we can supply an additional reversible bolt-on blade, the rams, the pins and the hoses. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos on Rhinox products, click the link here. Now I'm going to try and explain, don't use the word try, you idiot. Now I'll try and costings on the tilt grading brush. Stick it back.